Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a little fox who felt ordinary. She often watched the birds soar through the sky, the squirrels leap from branch to branch, and the flowers bloom beautifully in the sunlight. But she wondered, what makes me special? One quiet evening, the fox discovered something unusual, a tiny flower bud standing all alone in the grass. It hadn't bloomed yet, but there was something about it that felt familiar, as if they shared a secret. The fox gently watered the flower, hoping to see it bloom. She waited and waited, but nothing happened. She tilted her head in confusion and sighed. Maybe it just isn't meant to bloom. But she couldn't give up. She sat beside it, protecting it from the wind and rain, whispering to it under the moonlight. One day, her woodland friends noticed her efforts. "Why do you look so worried?" asked the rabbit. "Because it's not blooming," the fox replied. The squirrel chuckled. "Flowers take time. Just like you, little fox. You're already growing in ways you can't see." The fox blinked, thinking about those words. That night, she placed a paw over her heart and whispered, "Maybe I am growing too." She closed her eyes, letting the gentle night breeze fill her spirit. And just then, something magical happened. The flower she had cared for all this time began to bloom. Its golden petals opened under the soft moonlight, glowing like tiny stars. The fox gasped in awe. She smiled, realizing something important. She wasn't just waiting for the flower to bloom. She was blooming too, in her own way, in her own time. The flower had always believed in her. And now, so did she. You don't need to rush. Your time to bloom will come, just like the little foxes did.